Today I went to Walgreens. I went to the Walgreens that I barely ever go to, but I wanted to get Walgreens 80% off today. Now, I don't think they're gonna go any cheaper. I know Walgreens is not doing the greatest, and we've noticed in the past that they don't always just go to 90% off. But if they do, I will definitely let you guys know. But today they are 80% off. My store was not marked. Everything was still regular, still showing 60% off. But I went anyways because I could not pass up this deal. So I had a receipt that I have everything that I'm gonna share with you guys. So yeah, so the thing I grabbed were these blind boxes of Nightmare Before Christmas. My kids love blind boxes. They go nuts over blind boxes. And so I thought this is a great thing to get them for Christmas. These were originally $7.99. And I got them for $1.59. $1.59. There is 6 to choose from, so there was only 1 missing. So hopefully we got 5 out of the 6. I don't care. But my kids love blind boxes, and I'm definitely going to grab those. So if you guys find these anywhere in your store, definitely go and grab them. I ended up getting this, I didn't want to go super crazy this year. Like, I've been trying to cut back, but Halloween is my weakness, you guys. Halloween is my weakness. I have stuff falling off my desk. I got stuff I gotta take pictures of for my Etsy shop. So they're just like all piled up here. But I ended up getting this candy bowl skeleton. I thought this is really cute for just to put little candies and stuff in it. I was thinking even having it at my desk because I have some candies. And I thought this would be a cute little decoration. This was the only one they had. He was originally $9.99, and I got him for $1.99. So super cute. Love it, love it, love it. It's got my favorite things, spiders and spider webs. So got that. The first thing I grabbed to do a price check was this rug. Now they had 2 of them, and I was debating on getting 2 of them. But then I'm like, I don't need it. But this is a 30 by 18 rubber doormat. I should have gotten a second one. I should have gotten one. But this was originally, the mat was originally $12.99. It was $2.59. I thought this is super cute. And all it is little skeletons. And it's got some good like grip to it. I thought this is perfect for what I have. I kind of wish I got the second one. But that's okay. That is okay, Jennifer. We are fine. We are fine. I found this really cute, like, butterfly thing with a headband. I thought if Charlotte wants to be a butterfly when she gets a little bit older, she is more than welcome. This, I think, was $16.99. It was $16.99. We got this for $3.39. So it all lights up. The headband lights up. The back lights up. I thought this would be a cute little costume. She could wear whatever she wants and then just add the nice little, and this is like a good quality thing. So I got those for her. So if she wants to have that. I got some more stuff. My stores did not mark down the candy. I did get more items, but I ended up getting some M&Ms. These were like $1.70 on clearance, and so was the Skittles. So I got 2 bags of M&Ms and 2 bags of Skittles. Now this is stuff that you guys, if you guys give like things away to your kids for like Christmas or something, for like their stockings, these don't have any markings on it that they are Halloween. Hack, get some candy. So I ended up getting 2 bags of those, so I was pretty excited. I ended up getting this Hocus Pocus thing. I've been eyeing this up for a while. I think they've had this last year, but this is just it's just a bunch of Hocus Pocus, and if you guys know me, I'm obsessed with Hocus Pocus. That's like my ultimate favorite Halloween movie. So this was originally, I think, $9.99, and we got this for $1.99. So got that, was pretty excited. They didn't have any skeletons, so I'm glad I bought Fred yesterday during my haul. Then I ended up getting this cute little Hello Pumpkin. Now this is a nice fall decoration, and I thought, I don't have fall stuff. I have a lot of Halloween stuff, but I don't have a lot of fall items. So this was originally $5.99. Got this for $1.19, and I actually got 2 of them. It's in another one of my pile because my mother-in-law is like obsessed with decorating for fall. And I thought this would be a cute little thing just to get her for just like a little gift. So I got 2 of those pumpkins, and I'll share with you when I get that. So here is my other bag of M&Ms, and there is a ladybug flying out of my bag. Ugh! More Skittles. Well, then I decided to shop the clearance and I found some Sally Hansen nail polish. These are the Miracle Gel, and this is the 90s theme. They had these for $1.29 on clearance. $1.29. Well, guess what? We have a $3 Ibotta rebate. So yes, I got these and made a profit off of it. So I got $9 back for buying these three. So this is like $3.90, and we got $9 back. So make sure you guys are always checking your clearance. But I got these cute little colors. I love the pink, this one, and then I thought this would be a cute little, like, something to wear maybe during Halloween, and then you can't go with blue. So got some nail polish. My daughter's obsessed with nail polish, and when you can find nail polish for free, we do that. Yes. Okay. Then I ended up getting this little bat decor. These are just like little vinyl bats. This was, I think, was a dollar, or this was $5.99, I think is what it was. It's a 20 count. It was $5.99. You get this for $1.19. So I thought this is kind of cool. I might even have it as like a little decoration for my little craft area that I have all the time. So yes, yes, yes. My store also had some Pringles on clearance for $3.99. These were originally $7.99, but they were on clearance for $3.99. So I got, and they don't expire for like over a year. But I ended up getting one of the originals, and then I got two of the sour cream. These are perfect for my kids for lunch. So I just found this as an easy clearance. So make sure you guys check your store to see if your store has any of those. Those are up by the registers where I found those. And then I got that other pumpkin. So yes, I got another pumpkin. And then I found this unicorn little headband. My daughter is obsessed with unicorns, and it lights up, but there was no tag on it, but there was other ones there. And I just had her scan another item just so we could get it fixed up. But this was like originally $6.99 for $1.39. I thought that is so cute. She could even wear this for whatever. She likes to just look all cute. But that was everything that I got. Now keep in mind, my total was a little bit cheaper than everybody, but my total was $36.97. $36.97. I did use $20 in points, but then I also received $9 back with Ibotta. So yes, make sure you guys are scanning those receipts for all those items that you are buying. I've been making it a habit of putting every receipt that I have in a pile. I scan them with all of my apps. And then I also been putting the receipts that anything I get for Christmas in a receipt little envelope thing, so I have it just in case. And I've been really keeping track of how I keep track of everybody's Christmas stuff. But that was everything that I got. Like I said, I don't think it's gonna hit 90, but if it does, I will definitely keep you guys informed. But I hope you guys have an awesome clearance find. I love Halloween, and I cannot go wrong with getting, you know, stuff for basically 80% off. You can't go wrong with that. But if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give this video a great big thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.